Okay, so I had issues trying to find online how to remove these dash marks within a barcode. I have a Shopify website, and it's easier to mass upload products if I can get rid of all of the dash marks all at once and have it just a solid line of numbers, because Shopify will not accept the barcodes in this form. It'll give you an error message. So being on tech support with Microsoft for about an hour and a half in order to try to figure this out still didn't quite come to an easy solution. So I hope that this can help you. So first I'm going to select the entire column and either right click to go to the format cells and you'll bring up this column, or you can go up here to that area and get to the same place from there as well. Go to custom and then start off with just the 0 by itself, and because the particular barcode that I'm working with has 12 digits, I'm going to type in 12 zeros all back to back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then hit OK. The reason why this is important is if you don't do this step, then when you go to take out the dash marks, it will take away the 0 that's in front of all of these numbers as well for whatever reason. So once you have this portion selected, then select all of the barcodes that you want to remove the hash marks. Go up to the find and replace, tell it you want to find all of the hash marks, replace them with nothing, and then find all, and then replace all. Hit OK and back out of here, and now you have all of your barcodes in a format that Shopify will actually recognize when you do a bulk upload into their system. So again, I hope this worked for you guys.